Let's go over Boolean expressions and logical operators in Excel. A Boolean is a data type that can only hold one of two values, either true or false. These can represent a yes, no, on, off, or any other binary choice. Booleans can be really useful in Excel when we're trying to perform logical operations. The true-false allows us to make distinctions between or decisions about our data. In Excel, there are different values that true and false can take on. In Excel, the false values include false, a blank cell, or the number 0, whereas true values include everything else that isn't false, a blank cell, or 0. Now that we've gone over that, let's go over our logical operators. Logical operators allow you to perform a comparison between two items, and then they return a Boolean value, true or false. Quickly going over the most important logical operators, equals means equals, two angle brackets facing each other means not equals, angle bracket opening to the left is greater than, angle bracket opening to the right is less than, then the angle bracket with the equal sign is greater than or equals, and then the angle bracket opening to the right with the equal sign is less than or equals to. Let's go over a few examples over here to the right. If I were to say 5 equals 5, that would return true because 5 is the same as 5. However, if I were to ask Excel if 5 does not equal 5, that would return false because they do equals each other. If we ask Excel whether 5 is greater than 5, it would return false because it's not. 5 is less than 5 would also return false because it's not. Finally, if we did greater than or equals, it would return true because it's greater than or equals to, and they equals each other. And the same thing with less than or equals to. It would return true because 5 is less than or equals to 5. In the next lecture, I've created an exercise for you to get more comfortable with logical operators. Give it a shot and see how you feel.